Oh, I was supposed to try something before recording. Hold on, 1 minute. I'm hoping they will stand the test of time. Is it stand or withstand? Sijui. English came on a boat. It's okay. It's okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa Joe. If you are new here and do not already know this beautiful, God-made, heaven-sent, dripping in sauce face. So, I've worn my hair out for about a week. I had mini braids before. I will insert a picture. Where? Here. I had mini braids before. And I've worn my hair out for about 1.5 weeks and I'm tired already. Well, I'm not tired, but like it would be the wisest thing to get another protective style done. But when quarantine, if I get braids done, I'd feel like that's a bit of a waste of money because nobody's gonna see my braids, okay? When I invest into things, I like people to see them and acknowledge them. So I was gonna do like with braids like extensions. I was gonna do a bob with nice black rubber bands at the bottom, but I was like, nobody's gonna see that, so let's just do the mini braids again. But instead of mini braids, I'm gonna do mini twists. So this is the first time I'm doing them. I washed my hair yesterday and I put some shea butter on it, slept in these 4 sections just to stretch my hair as much as they possibly can for an overnight drying session. And yeah, that's my starting base. Did I say I put shea butter? I washed my hair, put shea butter, and then put them in these matutas. And we are here the next day. The hair is dry, hopefully. My middle is never dry when I think it's dry. In fact, it feels a little bit cold, so it may be slightly wet. But yeah, we'll do it anyways. Let's get into it. First step, I will not be re-moisturizing. So yeah, it's just gonna be like that, dry and everything. So we start. I'm gonna take this down. First of all, I'm super glad I had a white t-shirt on, this like layered, and I'm glad I took it out because my camera focuses on white. Oh yeah, my hair is not dry. My camera focuses on white objects, so that's why most of the time you see me in dark tops in my videos. It's specifically for that reason, so that the camera can actually focus on my face. Alright, so comb it out kidogo. Woo, my G. Start from the ends and climb up to the roots. Otherwise, if you start from the roots and you're coming down, you're just gonna be yanking your hair out. So, unless that's the aim, unless that's the aim of what you're doing, then it's fine. Why have I started with the front? I always start with the back. Yeah, let me just rebraid this. Yup, still wet. Do you see how loose it is? I don't like that. I really don't like that. And I don't want tiny twists. Guys! Yeah, we're not doing twists. I don't know how people have these in their hair because this is not tight. Like, this is gonna come out in 2 days. No. Change of plans. We're doing mini braids. Right, let's do the rest. Oh, those are good. Can you compare this to the twists? Guys, these are so firm. I don't understand how people do mini twists. So I will do the rest of camera and I'll come back at least when I'm at the front because I still have this left on this section, and then I'll go and do this one before I come to the front, the two at the front. So tuonane tukionana. Section 1 is done. Now we move on to this one. Also, I need to trim my hair. If you can see, like, the areas that are see-through at the ends, I like my hair to be as opaque as possible, so we gotta cut those off. I think I'll get that done at Spritz. We shall see. So back, completely done. I'm so happy. Now we move on to the front. Wacha niwaambie story funny. Oh my gosh. So I literally filmed myself doing this front section. Turns out I hadn't switched the side for the camera. Like, my front camera was the one that was on, and I used my back camera. So the whole time it was showing outside my window. It's okay, it's okay! Wow. So I even had a nice transition. We move. Ends first, and then we work our way up to the roots. Hey, my hair is wet. Okay, it's not wet, it's not dripping, but it's damp. Okay, I'll come back when I'm at the very front. Okay, children, we are in the front. Mama made it. Happy belated. Okay, how many? I think I'm gonna get 3 out of these. So yeah, let's just start from the very edge. Make a nice clean part. Make sure it's actually even and will give me 3 sections at the front. All right, I think that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. What do I do with them? With the remainders? We tie them away with my DIY stocking hairband. Because we're frugal like that. Alright, so when you are braiding your hair, for those who have been watching this and have had no idea as to what I've been doing, I'm about to show you, okay? So you take your section, split it into 3. Now if you're doing mini twists, of course you'll split it into 2, but change of plans, as you have seen. And we're doing braids now. So 1, 2, 3. 3 sections. And what you're going to do is basically bring the pieces on the sides to the center, constantly interchanging them. So I'm about to show you what I'm talking about. So we'll start with the right, we bring it to the center, and then the center takes its position. So they switch places, right? So the right is now in the middle is now on the right. Then we come in with the one on the left, bring it to the center, and now the new center switches positions with that one and moves to the left. Okay, so now the left is in the middle. Okay, so now we do that again with, hold on, there's a hair that wants to enter. The right comes back to the center, center takes its place, left comes back to the center, center takes its place, and you go like that, back and forth, and so on and so forth, and what have you. Okay, so that's basically it. Right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, as the center replaces them. So that's literally it. That's how you braid your hair. Children of God, I hope I've pressed record, because what? That would be disastrous. I'm hearing a lot of bees. My neighbors have hives in their roof. They've been there literally for years, so taking them out would be more dangerous than keeping them there. So they just live there, which means, of course, we have a lot of bees in our compound as well. But you learn to live with them, to be quite honest. You don't disturb them, they don't disturb you. Twirl the end. Yeah, and you're good. We do the other 2. Halafu tumemaliza hii chapter. I'm done. This has taken me so long. I think it's taken me like 3 hours roughly. Yeah, most likely. Total shedding for the day. That's a good amount. It's a healthy amount. We are done. There's somebody I know who's called Dan. Every time I say, oh, I'm done, he's like, no, I'm done. I'm just like, boy! If you've reached this far, in the video. I don't know what to tell you. Either I'm very entertaining or you just have a lot of time. Either way, thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. So, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I have been Melissa Joe. I still am Melissa Joe, and I will continue to be Melissa Joe. Bye.